So dictionary is a paired data type and having key value pairs. So we can update dictionary and we can actually have a unique values for a given key, specific key. It will be unique in a dictionary. So we will start exploring that. For doing that, let's say we take an example of phone book, and in this phone book we have, let's say, customer ID, and then we have, let's say, customer record. So it's kind of a lookup. So let's say I have customer information. This is a dictionary that I am defining, and I am defining this as, let's say this one is customer ID 1, and the customer information, let's say, is customer name or customer phone number. So it can be anything or it can be object also. So but right now I'm just defining, let's say, first customer is Bhavuk, and then maybe another customer, second customer is, let's say, we have Tom, right? And then third customer is Alice, right? So we have many customers, and I can print that customer information. It shows me like this, and when I show you the type of this, it is dict. Now when we want to retrieve something based on the customer ID, so we can retrieve it by specifying the customer ID. Let's say I specify customer ID as 2, then I am able to retrieve the customer name from the customer ID, and or the customer details from the customer ID using customer information dictionary, and I just passed key into it. Now this dictionary can be converted into list, and same thing, like we can actually start parsing the values part of the dictionary. So let's say we have this dictionary, and I want to get all the keys. So if I do that, you can see I got all the keys from this dictionary. And if I want to get all the values, then we have a method dot values. So it will show me all the values from the dictionary. It will show me all the keys from the dictionary. You can actually update something in the dictionary. Let's say I want to change, let's say instead of Bhavuk Chawla, I want to just keep it Bhavuk. So what I will do, in 0th position, I want to, or maybe this should be like first element, and I want to update it with just Bhavuk. So when I run it, then I got this dictionary. Now you can also find out the length of the dictionary by using this len method, and you can delete a specific key from the dictionary. Let's say I want to delete a specific element from the dictionary, so I can just copy and I can say delete. Then this will look like this, and if I show you the content, now that particular element is not there. So that means dictionaries are mutable. You can update dictionary. So dictionaries are very useful data types for a lot of cases wherein we want to do lookup based on the index. So we'll see these things more when we are doing some user defined function. There also I will define some dictionary, but I think for the time being it is fine. You got the idea how the dictionary works, and in the next lecture I will talk about the code blocks, how they are ordered and how they are structured. Yeah. So let's see that part immediately after this now.